Hey guys, this is my forging setup. I got just a Harbor Freight anvil mounted to a log. I got a Harbor Freight hammer, which I had to clean. Let's see if I can clean it off really quick. I had to take an angle grinder and bevel the edges because it had a sharp edge on it on both sides. I have just that. I have this forge that I made out of an old air compressor tank, and then I have a frosty T-fitting. It's rusty because I leave it outside. I have I don't know, just a couple fittings. I can't remember exactly. There's a welding MIG tip in there, and then I welded this piece of tubing on here and tried to tap and die it, or cap it, thread it, but it didn't work, so I just welded the tube onto it. And then I have these bricks. They're not very good. They crack really easily, but inside of the forge, I have a bunch of maybe inch-thick kale wool surrounding the whole outside. And then I have refractory cement covering most of the kale wool. Some of it's chipped off now, and I just have a basic stand for the forge, so it wasn't on the ground. And I have these tongs that I bought at a car show for like 20 bucks. They don't really work. But yeah, the propane tank sitting up there, and that's it.